Got an HP SmartTank 5101 printer sitting at home and you want to get connected to Wi-Fi using your computer? You're in exactly the right place. Wireless printing is honestly the best way to go. And honestly, setting it up is way easier than most people think. I'm gonna walk you through every single step of the process from getting your printer ready all the way to connecting to your computer through the HP Smart app. By the time we're done, your HP printer will be connected to the Wi-Fi and printing wirelessly. If you get stuck anywhere or need some extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's dive in and get this done. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Turn on your HP printer and check if the Wi-Fi button is blinking blue. If it is blinking, that means your printer is already ready for pairing. If your Wi-Fi button is not blinking, press and hold the information button for around 5 seconds until all the buttons on your printer's control panel light up. Now, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and the cancel button together for 5 seconds until all those lights go off. After you do that, you'll notice the Wi-Fi button is starting to blink blue. Great! Your printer is now ready to get paired with your computer. Now, go to your computer. Make sure the HP Smart app is already installed on it. If it's not, just watch the video linked in the description. I've got a full tutorial for downloading and installing it. Once the app is installed, open it up and click on the Add Printer button. Wait for around few seconds and your HP printer should appear right on the screen. When it does, click on Setup. Click on Continue and then a pop-up window will appear asking some questions. Select No Thanks to proceed without any extra options. Now, enter your Wi-Fi password in the field that appears on the screen. Make sure you typed it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive. After you've entered your password, click on the Connect button in the lower right corner of the screen. Now, your computer will prompt you to press the information button on your printer. Head over to your printer and press the I button on the control panel. After that, you'll see a screen displaying that your printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Click on Continue button to finish the setup. On your computer's home screen, you'll now see your connected HP printer displaying. That means everything is working perfectly.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.